Okay, I want to show you how to solve this inequality without resorting to a quadratic. It is possible to keep it as a linear problem, but the price you pay is two linear problems need to be solved instead. Normally in the book, you would be told to multiply both sides by x plus 2 squared. This would cancel the denominator and preserve the direction of the inequality because you're multiplying by a positive. An alternative strategy is to consider two possible worlds. In the first world, x plus 2 is a positive because x is more than minus 2. And in the second world, x plus 2 is a negative because x is less than minus 2. Okay, let's go with this world here first. X plus 2 is a negative. So if you were to multiply by x plus 2, knowing that it's a negative, it would flip the inequality around. So instead of being more than, becomes less than. You would get 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to 3x plus 6. Take the x to the right, 3x minus 2x is x. The 6 to the left, minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. But also, don't forget, in this world, x is less than minus 2. So let's think about this. X must be more than or equal to minus 9 and less than, but not equal to minus 2. Well, that's fine. That's one possible answer. Now let's look at this world. X plus 2 is a positive. So when you cross multiply, there's no need to flip the inequality because you know that x plus 2 is a positive. So you have 2x minus 3 more than or equal to 3x plus 6. So again, take this over here, take this over here, and you get x must be less than or equal to minus 9. X must be less than or equal to minus 9. Also, though, x must be more than minus 2. Now, is that possible? Let's think about this. There's minus 9, there's minus 2. X must be less than or equal to minus 9. So x could be here or smaller. But in this world, x must be more than minus 2. So it must be here, but also it must be somewhere here. Well, it can't be in both. If x is less than or equal to minus 9, it can't also be more than minus 2. So there's no world, or rather I should say, in this world it's not possible to find an x. There is no x. So this is the solution here. And that's it. Now, in some situations, there would be a valid solution in this world. And if that happens, that's fine. You would just say the answer is this or this. But there's actually just the one solution here in this particular example. But again, there could have been two. It would have been perfectly fine to end up with an answer that says this or this. The only problem is this answer doesn't make any sense. X can't be less than minus 9, but also bigger than minus 2. That doesn't make sense. On the number line, you can see that a bit more clearly. Yeah. So yeah, this is just the answer here.